Welcome to our next Arbiter training video. In this module, you will learn how to attach photographs to your map features while doing your fieldwork. These photos can be taken live while you're working, or they can be added from pictures already stored on your mobile device. Either way, you will find that pictures add clarity and substance to your map features, and you will use them often when doing your fieldwork. Alright, let's get started. Open Arbiter from the Apps page. We start again at our default work zone and active layers. Before we begin, it's important to know that a layer must have an attribute field called Photos, P-H-O-T-O-S, or Photos, spelled F-O-T-O-S. This field is necessary to store pictures to the map features. This field is a text string that you define in the schema for the layer. We will not go into this schema setup, though, in this module. Let's begin by adding a new feature to our map, one that has the Photos field already defined. Select the pencil icon, then select this layer from the list. We'll add a feature here. Select Done. Fill in some attribute information. And then let's scroll down to the bottom. Notice that you have this button with a camera inside. When your schema has the Photos field defined, this camera button is available. To add a picture, select this button. Arbiter asks you to choose where the photo is coming from. You can create a new one with the camera on your device, or you can select an existing photo from your camera's library. We'll go through both options in this module. This time, let's take a new picture, so select From Camera. Arbiter now activates the camera on your mobile device. Aim the camera at the image you want to capture and touch the camera button. The camera snaps the picture, then displays the results on the screen. Just to be aware that the time it takes to load the picture on your screen can vary depending upon your device. Normally, though, it only takes 10 seconds or less. From here, you confirm that the picture is good, or maybe not. You either save the photo or cancel it. If you select Cancel, Arbiter will take you back one step so that you can take another picture. We'll save this one. Arbiter attaches the photo to your feature and stores a thumbnail of the image here at the bottom of the table. You may take and store several photos if necessary, but we recommend that you limit them to no more than 5 per feature. Most of the time, 1 or 2 pictures will do the job. From here, select Save, and we'll go back to the map. Next, let's edit an existing feature, and this time we'll add the photo from the device's library. Double-touch this feature to open its attribute table. Select Edit, then scroll down to the bottom to find our camera button. Touch the camera and select From Photo Library. Arbiter then gives you the option to choose where to get the existing picture. These are just different apps you can select from to find an existing photo. Most of the time, you will find what you need in the picture album of the device. We'll select Gallery here. Arbiter then displays the photos on your device as thumbnails. You can scroll through the images, then touch on the one you wish to add. Arbiter then returns to the attribute table showing a thumbnail of the photo at the bottom. Select Save, then return to your map. The attributes for the feature are now updated to include the photograph. Next, let's go over some maintenance that you can do with the photo. Double touch this feature here since we know that it has a photo attached. We'll scroll down to the bottom and see the thumbnail of our picture. Touch the picture and Arbiter puts a full display of the photo across the screen. This is in view-only mode. Return to the attribute table by selecting the Return button on your device. Now, let's remove the photo from our attribute table. First, select the Edit button at the top. Now, touch the photograph. And as before, Arbiter displays the photo across the whole screen. But now there's an option to delete the media at the bottom. If you select Delete Media here, the photo is removed. If you don't want to remove it, just select the Return button. We'll go ahead and select Delete Media. A warning message appears confirming the delete operation. Select OK to remove it, or select Cancel to abort the delete. We'll select Delete from the prompt. Arbiter returns to the attribute table, and our photo is removed from the feature. We'll select Save and return to our map. There. That is how we work with photographs in Arbiter. We just took a new picture and stored it with the map feature. We also attached an existing photo from our library to a feature, and we removed a photo from a feature that was no longer needed. We hope that you found this information useful and that you find many valuable ways to use this capability. Well, that's all we'll do for this training module, so let's go ahead and close down Arbiter.